Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SHIB video update for Monday 22 of August. And yeah, that's it. So on the weekly time frame, we've actually put in this pattern known as some sort of a bearish Rami candlestick. So let's go to Google right now and I'm going to write in very quickly here, bearish Rami candlestick pattern. And I want to show you that image of the bearish Rami candlestick pattern. So here we are, and this is the weekly time frame right now that I'm talking about. So you do have that big, huge green candle to the outside and the red candle next to it. So that's pretty much the bearish side of the of SHIB. So the previous analysis that I made for you, this was your left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder popped to the upside, went to the technical target, met the technical target, and now that scenario has already played out. I never had any views to the upside other than 1800, and that's something that I clearly mentioned, and it met the technical target right off the bat perfectly. Now there's one level of support that I do see that is getting about to get rejected right now, and that's going to be on the weekly. You can see that we're putting this mini trend line, and in the next coming few days, because today's Monday and the new week has already started, and you can see that this candlesticks combined actually form a bearish Harami candlestick. So green candle and the red candle next to it is a bearish Harami, right? So if you want to actually continue the uptrend right now, so you must break this level. You must come up here, break that level at 1800, and then start to continue higher. Now my take is that it's going to go down, and that the only reason it's going to go down is due to Bitcoin and how Bitcoin is looking. If you want to know and learn what Bitcoin is going to do watch the Bitcoin update on the channel. It's super quick video. And Bitcoin is now on a technical journey to go to $17,800. Yeah, you're going to see Bitcoin basically to $17,800, and God knows you're going to see Bitcoin at $8,000 in September as well. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on SHIB right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love this.